How to find and change a list of shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve? Let's go. Okay, so here we go. So first thing to do, go up to DaVinci Resolve and click on Keyboard Customization. Now here is all the list of customizations that you have in DaVinci. You can search them by application or go to Show All and click by Assigned or Unassigned. So these are really useful features. So if we look at Assigned here, how do you change one? So just say you've got link clips and I want to change this. Ensure it's selected and just say I want to change it to P. Press P, and as you can see, this warns me that it's already been used by something else and asks if I want to reassign it. So I don't, so click cancel. Now let's try Control Alt and P to change that. So hold Control Alt and P, and while you're doing it, it will register what you're doing, and as you can see, this is accepted. So if I save that and close, and let's go and see this in use on the timeline. So just say I've got these two clips, I want to link them. I'm going to use Control and then select both of them and then press Control Alt and P. Now if I click off and on again, you can see that the clips have been linked. They're linked now. So I'm going to press Control and V, and as you can see, I've separated them again. So to show you that again, go up to Keyboard Customization, go to Assigned, Link Clips, and I'm just going to hold Control Alt and L, which is what it was before. And as you can see, this is registered and asks if I want to save it, which I do. So there we have it. I hope that you found this useful. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you next time.